Hi guys, it's your girl Yannique and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey. Alright guys, so for today's video, I'll be doing a detailed brow tutorial for all the sisters out there who wants their brows to look like it was tinted or microbladed. So when people go and see you in the streets, they're gonna ask, girl, where you did your brows? Girl, I did my brow myself. So stay tuned and get ready to learn with me. Hey, so starting off with a freshly shaved eyebrow, I'll be taking my spoolie to brush my eyebrow hairs upwards and to ensure that it is flat. Okay guys, so now I'll be taking my damp beauty blender along with my Airspun setting powder just to apply to my eyebrows, and this is acting as a primer for the products that I will be applying to give my eyebrow that natural look. So I went ahead and did one brow off camera, and let's get into it. So using my Milani brow pomade, I'm just going to follow the lower line or the natural arch of my brow using very thin and light strokes. Guys, you can also follow through using a pencil. Thank you, Mr. Brightman. But for today, I wanted to use my pomade. Then I just go to the front and to just fill in that line. So once you have finished drawing the line below your eyebrows, you're going to just go above your eyebrows, and you are not going to start at the immediate front because that tends to give you a very harsh look, right? So again, you just want to follow your arch using very thin and light strokes, and it is so easier to do when you have a freshly shaped brow, right guys? So once we have acquired the shape that we want, we are just going to fill in our brows, and again you're going to use very thin and light strokes to fill it in, ensuring that you are following the directions that your eyebrow hairs are in. Okay guys, you don't want to just go in and fill it in and rub in a whole ton of products. No, the key to having very natural and microbladed look eyebrows is to have very light strokes. Okay, so once you get to the front, you want to apply less pressure and go in a upward direction. Very light strokes, especially at the front. Okay, so now we're going to be shaping our brows, and I'm using my angled flat top brush along with my LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Fawn, right? So when you're selecting your concealers, you want to use a shade or two lighter, okay? So I'll be taking that same flat top brush with some concealer on it to follow my lower eyebrow line, right, and to get the shape and the arch that I want. Now I'll be taking a damp beauty blender just to blend out all the concealer that is below my eyebrow. So now we'll be shaping above our eyebrows, and I'd normally use a concealer that is the same shade as my complexion, but I decided that I was just going to use the same concealer that I used to line below my eyebrows. And what I do is to just use whatever was left in the brush just to apply it to above both my eyebrows. Okay guys, so if you want to do it this way you can, but you have to ensure that you blend out your concealer properly guys. Also, if you don't have a concealer that is the same complexion as your skin, you can just go ahead and use your foundation to shape above your brows. Yep, your foundation works as well guys. Again, taking my same damp beauty blender just to blend out all the concealer that was above my brows. And that's it for my brow tutorial today guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys stay safe and have a wonderful week.